Welcome. If you want to scan QR codes with your camera on Nokia G10, and first you have to be in the camera and then tap on the right upper corner. After that you have to be sure that scan QR code is enabled. After that you have to put your QR code like that, and then it will be scanned automatically, and here you'll find the notification on the screen that it works. So let me show you. I'm going to turn on some kind of the QR code on my private smartphone and we are going to scan right now. Okay, for example, I'm going for this one. So take a look right now. As you can see, when you turn on this option and then just put it like that, we can simply tap on that notification. Unfortunately, it's not working. As you can see, it displayed the information that we can open it simply in the browser, but we can't. When I tap on that notification, nothing is happening. So take a look another time. So the information appears on the screen, but unfortunately you cannot open this QR code. So there's another option in that smartphone that is not working. That's not good. I hope they are going to fix it in the next update. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.